Hold on, hold on, hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on.
I've been waiting a year now. Yes, that's how long you have to spend on your learner's driving license. A lot can happen in a year, you know, but all I can think about is the places I might go. And it's not just skating with friends. I'm also excited to drive on my own, again and again. Every day, a new beginning. Nothing to do but keep grinning. The day's possibilities as vast as the ocean. Do I skate? Do I surf? Or continue to search? No more relying on public transport. Just where to park under the carport. Don't think this could get any better, but I think this dream might not be what I thought. I swear, each visit to the station provokes yet another invitation. Lift after lift. I guess my P's aren't really the greatest gift. As the day grows old, glowing petrol prices seem to overflow, while my tank is filling up way too slow. Another ticket on my dash. There goes all my cash. Do you think my license can be returned? Or even these skills unlearned? 'Cause that's fine by me. It just means one less fine for me. This is too big of a responsibility. Sometimes I wish my birthday was next January, or never to be. Till these texts stop, I will never be free.